Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I will show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. Now to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now once this disappears, let go of the keys and you should be in the recovery mode. So in here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down and select wipe cache partition, then confirm it with power key, select yes, and there we go, we are now finished. So reboot system now should be selected by default, and all you need to do is press power key once more to go back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.